Close your eyes and take a deep breath. Let that breath out slowly and fully. Today, we are going to learn something important about our amazing bodies. As you relax more and more, you can feel your entire body getting warm and comfortable. Your mind feels relaxed. Your body feels relaxed. All is well. As you rest in this peaceful state, let your mind drift as you listen to my words. Think for a moment about your body, no matter the shape or size. Your body is a magnificent and beautiful. Your body is composed of individual cells which work together in harmony to keep you at your very best. Let's think for a moment about your feet. You might have a little curved toes. You might have perfectly straight ones. Yet, each and every one is perfect. It is in its own way. Your feet and your toes help you move and get to where you want to go. Say a little thank you to your amazing feet that carry you places you want to go. It's very important to keep in mind that you don't need to look like anyone else. You are already the perfect you. We can love and appreciate our bodies exactly as they are. As we get older, you may notice some people complain about their bodies. They forget that all bodies are special and beautiful in their own way. How boring it will be if everyone looked exactly alike. We are each so wondrously made, and we should always remember to love each other, love ourselves, and every part of our powerful, amazing bodies inside and out. Now, consider your strong back and shoulders. They help you to lift and move things. They hold you up straight and help you to walk. It's important to be thankful for your strong back and shoulders, for carrying what we need to carry in life. Think about your arms and hands now. They help you to hug the people you love. Thanks your arms and hands. We can hold the people we care about during happy times and sad times. Be thankful to your arms for how strong and beautiful they are, helping you every day. Finally, think about your beautiful face. There is no other face like yours. People can see you beautiful, inner light shining out throughout your eyes and even through your smile. Remember today and every day to be thankful for your marvelous body. It will be with you always to help you experience life and express yourself in many fantastic ways. When you are ready, and with another deep breath, open your eyes. You have done a wonderful, relaxing job and learning to be thankful for it today.